आपके साथ मैं पिछले राखी से कर रही हूँ। और मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी, मुझे पेन होता था। मैं डेंटिस्ट हूँ। तो एक ही साइड में पोजीशन करते करते काम करने में मेरे को टीएमजे का प्रॉब्लम भी हो गया और चीक रीजन में मसल्स पे बहुत पेन होता था। तो अभी कंटिन्यूअसली आपके साथ कर रही हूँ तो काफी रिलीफ है। और अगर नहीं करती हूँ, थोड़े दिन भी मिस हो जाता है तो बहुत बुरा लगता है। और काफी अच्छा आपके साथ जर्नी रही। और आगे भी कंटिन्यू करूँ।
I I was just doing the regular classes. I didn't even know about the advanced as of now. But you showed me a couple of more exercises on one, like this one, doing it more time and tongue exercises. It really helped me increase my saliva because it was actually blocked for some time. Because and I started having complaint of like dry mouth, and when I used to eat some spicy food, it used to hit me a lot, and my tongue started scratching. My palate was really dry and rough. So I was really scared of thinking, oh, it's something really bad, and my tongue got infected. So I went to the dentist. She checked everything. She's like, your everything is perfectly fine. The only complaint I see is your saliva is blocked. You're not producing like enough saliva, and that's why you're getting dry mouth, and that's why you're crunching your mouth and your teeth, and that's increasing this issue. So better you start increasing your saliva. She gave me some liquid which is for temporary, just gargle it. But I was not getting as much benefit when I started doing these exercises which you showed, very simple exercises. I was doing just once in a day, but like very religiously. I started feeling saliva coming back so nicely, like not 100%, but even now when I'm speaking, I'm feeling saliva, otherwise it used to get so dry. So it has really helped me. And now, since I have learned more exercises during this time, it will help me. But it has helped me tremendously. It's also, I would say it's natural healing, which I'm really
हम्म।
happy about.
Um, I'm an advocate by profession and passion. I'm a social worker. I'm a social activist from Hyderabad. So I've joined my face yoga journey has started, it's just like that. She's Surbiji is just like an angel to me in my life, wherein God is sent to me. But this face yoga is something not just about the face. It is all about the overall, the personality also we need to look within. And secondly, I would want to say, while after starting the session, after 15 to 20 days later after the session, in the beginning of the sessions, what I thought and what I felt was, I had a mild stroke on my face, a facial stroke, what we called as. And I was alone at home, and I don't know nothing what to do about it. And I was little bit, I just forced myself on my hand. I was just, let the mouth does not droop down even more. She gave me, about the droopy corners, and my mouth went a little bit down from on the left side of my face. And slowly after the session, focusing on this mouth area, and now I feel the numbness is gone, and the droopiness has gone. I'm feeling much better regarding my, as far as my mouth region is very much concerned. And I reduced my double chin, and with the gua sha massage. And I had a hair thinning very badly, and my hair thinning has stopped, reduced. And within first time of gua sha massage, my hair fall has been reduced, and I had a very better sleep immediate after the gua sha class. 40 minutes I slept. I had a never such a deep sleep after so many years. I have never felt that sleep. I'm feeling happy, because I know myself that numbness, what I was facing through, that is not there now anymore. That has been totally reduced.
Yes.
Numbness, and the frequency of that has totally gone down. I'm very much
Yes.
thankful to her.
And your full
I'm
face
feeling
is
very
lifted. Thank
happy.
you so much. Yes. And मैम लकी था आपका नमनेस सिर्फ माउथ एरिया पे आया, अगर आप नहीं ध्यान आते तो आपका हाफ साइड पूरा पैरालिसिस हो जाता.
Yeah.
Right? So you're lucky you came at the right time and आपको अच्छे benefits मिल गए.
Yeah. This
Thank you so
God's
much.
grace, I got connected to you, or even I should
Same to you,
thank
ma'am.
God also
Same
for
to you.
that. For you also. Thank you.
You too also.
You're so humble
Thank
and
you so much.
grounded. I like your qualities very much.
Thank you so much to my wonderful face yoga teacher. Really, you are wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
For helping me with my pigmentation pigmentation, your guidance, and every tips. Thank you so much. You know, everything it's work very nice. Face wash and water flash and every face pack. Everything is works very nice. Really. And you are not only doing face yoga, you do everything. Affirmation, meditation, everything. जो हमारे माइंड को और मतलब लाइफ को काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलता है इससे रियली एंड जो एवरी क्लास यू सेड यू से आई एम वाओ रियली 1 2 3 क्लासेस के बाद रियली फील होता है कि रियली आई एम वाओ रियली एंड आपने सिर्फ फेस योगा ही करना नहीं सिखाया, सेल्फ लव भी सिखाया है एवरी मॉर्निंग मैं बोलती हूँ आई लव माई सेल्फ। पिगमेंटेशन था मेरा वो 75% कम हो गया है रियली। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर 20 मतलब 100%। तो इट्स मेरी जर्नी जो फेस योगा में रही है, फेस योगा में बहुत वंडरफुल रही है बिकॉज माई फेस इज ग्लोइंग